we are making my very favorite skin mask ever. It is specifically good for brightening the skin and hyperpigmentation, so let's get started. And I'm gonna place it on all my little hyperpigmentation spots. To get benefits from this, you want it on for at least 20 minutes, but up to overnight could work. So in terms of removal of this mask, because I've done a spot treatment, I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna kind of spot treat this off. Now that we have the face mask off our face, we're gonna go right into moisturizing the skin. I literally spray it all over my face. Hydrating the skin is also gonna help with brightening the skin and hyperpigmentation.